Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you the contents of ANA's first class amenity kit. Please follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So here's a look at ANA's first class amenity kit. So it comes in a nice cool travel case, and in there you do have an eye mask and earplugs in that top section. Not a bad case if you want to hang on to it after you're done using the amenities for your own toiletries possibly. So the toiletries here you're going to see are of the Ginza brand, and here you've got moisturizing emulsion, little Ginza card, info about the product is cotton cloth. Believe it or not, that is lotion, body lotion somehow, and you've got some creamy cleansing foam there. So that is ANA's first class amenity kit. As always, I appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.